Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to promote your business. Canva is an incredibly versatile design tool, perfect for entrepreneurs and small businesses. It offers thousands of customizable templates, allowing you to create professional-looking marketing materials in just minutes. You can easily design everything from social media posts to flyers, ensuring your brand always looks its best. Plus, it helps maintain a consistent brand identity across all your platforms, saving you valuable time and effort. Creating engaging social media content is crucial for business growth. Canva provides thousands of templates specifically designed for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can easily customize these with your brand's unique elements, ensuring every post is on brand. Beyond static images, create dynamic animated posts and short videos to truly grab your audience's attention. Many users find this feature invaluable for boosting engagement and reach across their social channels. Beyond social media, Canva empowers you to design a wide array of professional marketing materials. From eye-catching flyers and brochures to polished business cards, you can create print-ready assets with ease. Craft compelling presentations for your next client pitch or webinar, and design impactful email headers and website banners. With access to millions of stock photos, icons, and graphics, your designs will always look professional and reflect your brand's quality. For ultimate brand consistency and team efficiency, leverage Canva's Brand Kit feature. This allows you to store your approved logos, specific color palettes, and brand fonts in one central location. Every team member can then easily access these assets, ensuring all designs are perfectly on brand. Plus, with real-time collaboration tools, your team can work together seamlessly, providing feedback and making edits directly within the platform, streamlining your entire design workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.